All right, check the tire pressure on that one next.
Got it, boss. She's waiting. Go on.
Before she spends your pay.
Where is she? What happened to my sister? Look, kid, I understand, but you need to step back behind the tape. We'll contact you when we have details. Son, there was nothing anyone could do. She's gone. They say it was the Serpientes. A message for the Vatos. A line on a map. The police don't care. So how do I make them pay? Who the hell are you? You lost, little man. You came to the wrong party. I'm gonna teach you.
You're finished. No, get off me!